This 33 by 39 feet concept house pairs a warm timber-clad gable roof with a heavy dark stone base, creating a striking contrast between lightness above and solidity below. The stacked stone facade grounds the structure visually, while vertical wood siding on the upper volume softens its presence among the surrounding palms. This material layering reflects a lodge-inspired tropical language, private and weighty at street level, warm and inviting where it opens toward the garden. This material story continues throughout the interior, where warm walnut and oak millwork pair with dark stone accent walls echoing the exterior's paletted. A dedicated home library, a spacious walk-in pantry, and a stone-clad primary bath elevate the home's daily living experience beyond standard programming. Natural textures, jute rugs, live-edge wood surfaces, and abundant greenery reinforce a calm lodge-like retreat atmosphere consistent from room to room. House 2. This 33 by 46 feet concept house presents a bold contemporary composition, anchored by a full-height stacked stone pier that separates a warm timber-clad gable from a crisp white cantilevered volume. A woven lattice screen fills the upper gable, filtering light while adding textural depth to the roofline. The pairing of rugged stone, rich timber, and clean white plains creates a striking modern silhouette suited to a dry, sculptural desert landscape. Throughout the interior, dark stacked stone feature walls anchor each room, while rich walnut millwork and mid-century furniture, wishbone chairs, and a Sputnik chandelier, leather butterfly seating, bring retro warmth and character. Cacti, terracotta pots, and Southwestern-inspired art and textiles reinforce a desert modern identity, distinct from typical tropical interiors. The result is a home that feels curated and characterful, appealing to an audience drawn to design-forward, retro-inflected living.